Hello and welcome to the video on how transactions affect the accounting equation. Let's take a moment to recap the accounting equation. The equation can be represented as assets equals capital plus liabilities. It's important to remember that both sides of the accounting equation must always be equal every single time, no matter how many transactions have occurred. So let's have a look at how the transactions affect the accounting equation in an example. Let's imagine that our friend Red is setting up a new business. The first transaction that happens is that Red, the owner, put £20,000 in the business. So on the asset side, the bank will increase to £20,000. And on the capital and liabilities side, the capital will increase to £20,000. Red decides that the business will be a delivery company. And to get the business rolling, they buy a delivery van for £12,000. On the asset side of the equation, a delivery van of £12,000 has been added, and the bank has decreased by £12,000 to £8,000. On the capital and liabilities side, nothing has changed, so capital still remains at £20,000. To help expand the business further, Red decides to take out a loan from the bank of £10,000. On the asset side, the bank increased to £18,000, plus the delivery van of £12,000 gives a total of £30,000. On the capital and liability side, we have £20,000 of capital plus the bank loan of £10,000. So in total we have £30,000. Thank you for watching. We look forward to seeing you in another video.